If you are also among those people who think that without doing anything, without taking any step, your personality will improve, then my friend, get out of this illusion. It may sound a little harsh, but now that time has come. You will keep getting ignored by them like this, and so if you want to change yourself, then you have to glow like a man. You have to make some necessary changes in your life, such changes that will change your whole life. And they feel that all this is a waste of time. If you are also not serious about your hair and you always keep them messy, then always remember this thing, that only those people have a different glow on their faces who keep their facial hair well trimmed and always short and stylish. This does not mean that you cannot keep long hair or a big beard. You can definitely keep it, but keep in mind whether it is well maintained or not, because with long hair and a big beard comes a big responsibility, and so if you keep long hair, then you have to maintain it. If you have a big beard, then learn to use beard oil in it and keep it in perfect shape, and if you feel lazy to do all this, then it is simple, remove it or make it short and simple, that will be more better for you. Point number 2, train your facial muscle. It may sound a bit, you did not look good in childhood, rather you have used all the cosmetic products, you have never tried facial exercise till date to make your face look good, you have not learned it and you have not been able to improve your looks till date. Come, let me tell you, it will seem a little difficult in the beginning, but gradually you will get used to it, and this will improve the jawline of your face, which will improve your looks a lot. After this you have to train your neck. You can try different types of neck exercises every day and add them to your workout routine. Along with this, the neck becomes muscular. In this tight sinew strong, the main thing that matters the most. Point number 3, get weight and try bulking you in size. So if you do not have only one or less muscle, then you should gain weight. If yes, then start your weight gain journey from today itself, because exercise is not limited to one body part. You have to do a compound workout in which your legs, arms, chest, abs, neck, hands, everything is involved, and after doing this comes the most important thing, which is diet. Always remember that your body will not be built just by doing exercise. For this you should eat enough amount of food in your diet. If it is non-veg, you can eat chicken breast, you can eat soya chunks. Now as soon as you start doing these things, I can say with confidence that within just 1 month you will start seeing changes in your body. You will turn from a skinny guy into a muscled guy, a beast. But if you really want people to take you seriously, then you need to improve your appearance. First of all, stop wearing any such dress and try to dress like a grown-up. For this you can choose clothes in decent colors such as black, white, light blue, grey, navy blue. That's why make a perfect combination among themselves. And yes, this habit of wearing sneakers with every dress of yours, stop it today itself. For a proper formal dress, keep a collection of formal shoes and please polish these shoes as well. Point number 5, smell good. Last but not the least, after improving your appearance, the most important thing is to smell good. Most of the time, you wear good dresses, you also wear your shoes, you get your face glowing, but you don't smell good, and that's why it is very important for you to take a shower every day, use good smelling soaps, and yes, don't apply good perfumes. And if you want to know how to boost your confidence, how did you go, then click on the video on the left and find out. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.